Hello everyone, hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to make a flower from a fabric, satin fabric. So basically satin material, fabric, any of them. So basically I marked 2 inches in that circular motion, like you can see. I deepened it a bit so you could actually see it, just like that formula. Yes, so then I cut it out. Okay, so after I was done cutting it, I placed it on the other SS ones to get the same shape that I wanted. Okay, so I actually used 2.5 to do the cutting of the first piece, and then I placed it on the other SS ones so that I could get the same size of it. Okay, I basically could have done it the other way, like the first way I did it, but the fabrics were not enough to go through that proceedings. So I made sure that after I was done cutting the first piece, I placed them on the other SS materials to get the circular shape I wanted. Now we are in the season whereby you're protecting our ozone layer, you're making sure that the environment is safe for everyone. So you make sure you save these petty fabrics that you get after working or wherever you go. When you see these fabrics and you think they are cool, you just make sure you maintain them, don't throw them away. Okay, so you just turn it into something more productive. So with this, I folded it into 2 sections. I just folded it to get a semicircular motion. Okay, then I used the pin and then the thread to go through it, and then after that I tied a knot. Okay, so you can see me tying a knot, and I pulled it so that it would all gather at where the knot was. So I actually repeated that process till I got to the size that I felt was enough for the project I was doing. Okay, so as many as you want to make it, you can just go about it like that. So basically that is it. I hope you're enjoying this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you're enjoying it. If you have any other question, please comment below. I will reply you as soon as I see the question. So basically that's the whole way I went about it, and I gave it a bit of touch and added some sequins in it so you can see it on the dress. Thank you.